Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Arya Satrio Pratama from TKG2. At this moment, I want to show how to make hot tea. And let's get started. The tools needed are glass, pot, spoon. And the material needed are sugar, water, sariwangi tea. Now the first step, put water in the pot. Second, turn on the stove and wait for the water to boil. Then add sugar to the glass to taste. Because I don't like it too sweet, so I put only 1 spoon. Next, pour hot water into a glass and dip the sariwangi tea. After that, stir using a spoon and hot sariwangi tea is ready. Well, I can you practice this at home. Thank you for watching.